Thanks for tuning in. My name is Alex and you're watching Make It Happen. In this video, I will be making Jaune Arcs' original sword from RWBY. I began this project by taking a 65 by 19mm block of Tasmanian oak and drew out a basic sword design with a total blade length of 70cm. For all of my dimensions, I use this little minifigure sword. This was then chopped out with a circular saw and fixed up with a jigsaw. For the edges, I started by carving down the perimeter with a rasp and then realized I need a plane because this is a very hard wood. The edges were then added and cleaned up with a file. For the guard, I chopped out some scrap pieces of MDF which were stacked and glued to the hilt and carved down with files. The pommel was made by taking scrap pieces of PVC plastic which were heat formed around the handle and glued together, which was then carved down using files and a rotary tool. For this step, please take care because my fingers were burning. Now, because this was my first time using a planer, it resulted in many imperfections. So I started the filling by using numerous layers of Automotive body filler, which was sanded, sprayed with primer, sanded again to reveal the remaining imperfections, which were then refilled with gap filler and resanded. Because this sword has been passed down for 4 generations in the show, it has many gashes along the blade, which I carved in using mini files. Painting started off with a coat of grey primer. The handle was masked off to be coloured black, and then all of the metal parts were given a base coat of aluminium. The guard and pommel were covered in gold, which were then dusted with black spray, as well as the blade, and then everything was sealed off with a clear coat. I then wrapped the handle with blue electrical tape and then did the final weathering and sealing. If you have enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more, please subscribe to make it happen, and I will see you next time.